Hello students, in the last video we have already done the explanation part of the whole chapter, but we were left out with this case study. So we'll start with the city of Dholavira. If you look at the picture, the city Dholavira had fresh water and fertile land, and it was located on Khadir Bhayat in the Run of Kutch. And where is Run of Kutch? In Gujarat. It was different from other Harappan cities. Why? Because in the earlier thing, Harappan cities, we already know it was divided into two parts. But this Dholavira is divided, this whole city is divided into three parts. So that is why it is little different. Each part was surrounded with some good massive stone wall, and entrances were made through gateways. And the settlement also had a large open area where public ceremonies could be held. And there were other findings also, such as letter of Harappan script. The letters were carved out of white stone and perhaps they were inlaid in wood. So this is a unique piece of finding which was found in Dholavira. Generally, Harappan writing has been found on small objects like seals. Then let us go to the next case study of Lothal. Beside a tributary of the Sabarmati in Gujarat, there was a city of Lothal, and this was near the Gulf of Kambat. पीछे था पहले वाला ढोलावीरा में था गल्फ ऑफ कच्छ, and here it is Run of Kutch, and here it is Gulf of Kambat. Both are in Gujarat. Raw materials such as some semi-precious stones were easily available in the nearby areas, and the city was an important center for making of stones, shells and metal objects. And there were many seals and sealings. What do you mean by sealings? Seals का मतलब आपको मैंने बताया मोहर होता है, और sealings का मतलब होता है जो impression of seals लगता है clay के ऊपर. So the impression of seals on clay is known as sealings, and they were found in the storehouses of Lothal. A building also was found at Lothal, which was probably a beads जो होते हैं, they were bead making workshop था वहाँ पे. Pieces of stone, bead making tools, semi-finished and finished beads, they have all recovered from this site. A very important thing you have to know here is a dockyard. A dockyard was at Lothal was a huge tank where the boats and the ships came in from the sea and through the river channel. So the goods, यानी कि जो भी सामान आता था, they were perhaps loaded and unloaded from this dockyard. Got it? If you a fact I would like to say, around 4,000 years ago, some seas may have been used by the traders to stamp their bags or packets containing goods that were sent from one place to another. And a layer of wet clay was applied on the knot after the bag was closed and tied, and then a seal was pressed on the wet clay. So the impression of the seal is known as sealing. When the goods arrived with the sealing intact, it was considered having reached safely. Today also we do this. Then we have the next city which was outside the subcontinent. ये सब inside the subcontinent है. अभी हम outside of the subcontinent की बात करते हैं, and that is Egypt. Egypt is an ancient country. Except for the lands along the river Nile, most of this country is actually a dry desert. Kings ruled over this Egypt around 5,000 years ago. Armies were dispatched by then to distinct lands to fetch gold, silver, timber, precious stones, and there were some huge tombs which were known as pyramids were also built by these kings. The bodies of the kings, then they died, they were preserved and buried in these pyramids. You all know this, Mummy movie देखी होगी आपने. And these carefully they preserved bodies which were known as mummies. A large number of objects like food and drink items, clothes, ornaments, utensils, bartan Musical instruments, weapons and animals were also buried with them, and at times even serving men and women. सर्विंग यानी कि जो मैन एंड वुमेन, उन जो इंसान मर जाता है, अगर वो उनके ही जैसे दास दासी जिसको हम लोग कहते हैं, उनको भी कभी कभी रूलर्स के साथ दफनाया जाता था. सो एट टाइम्स इवन सेवरल men and women were also buried with the rulers. So by this children we come to an end of this chapter, and I am providing you the PDF of some question answers. Please click on the link in the description box, and if you have any queries, please ask me. Now let us discuss the objectives and the question answers which I have given you all in the PDF. State true or false. Many of these cities were divided into 2 or more parts. Yes, because Harappan cities were divided into 2 parts, and Dholavira was divided into 3 parts. Some other cities were divided into some other parts. Okay. Then the city of Lothal stood beside a tributary of the Ganga in Gujarat. Right now we said no, it's false, because it was in the tributary of Sabarmati. Great Bath was made watertight with a layer of natural tar. Yes, Great Bath was indeed a very great bath, where the lying system, the system that they laid out for bathing was at those time was really very good. Usually in the Harappan cities, the part to the east was larger but lower and is called the upper town. It's false. The citadel, that is the upper town, was higher and the lower town was lower. The Harappans also made seals out of stone. Yes. Apart from the stone, they also made with other things also. All the raw materials that the Harappans used were available locally. False. They were not available locally. They had to go from the distinct lands from Syria, Egypt and all this. They used to bring from them. Then Great Bath has been discovered in Mohenjo-daro. People living in the dash grew crops and reared animals. People living in the countryside. The alloy of tin and copper is known as bronze. Bronze के जो medals होते हैं, that's a combination of tin and copper. Usually in the Harappan cities, the part to the west was smaller but higher, and that was known as citadel. Citadel का दूसरा नाम है upper town. Gold and silver were used to make ornaments, यानी कि ज्वेलरी, ornaments यानी कि गहने जिसको हम लोग कहेंगे, and vessels. Then are the impression of seals on clay. So sealings are the impression of seals on clay. How old are the Harappan cities? Harappan cities were developed about 4,700 years ago. What were the objects in the Harappan cities made of? They were made of stone, shell and metal. And list some uses of faience. Faience was used to make beads, bangles, earrings and tiny vessels. Where fire altars have been discovered? Fire altars have been discovered in Kalibangan and Lothal. The second page. Which two metals form the alloy bronze? Just now we read it. Tin and copper. When and where cotton cultivation has started? It started at Mehergarh about 7,000 years ago. Make a list of what the Harappan ate. क्या खाते थे वो लोग? Wheat, barley, pulses, peas, rice, sesame. Sesame का मतलब होता है तिल, linseed, mustard यानी कि सरसों, and they had fruits also. Name the terracotta toys that have been found during excavation. Many terracotta toys, if you have read the lesson, toy cart, toy plow, toy animals, etc. etc. How bricks were arranged to build walls in Harappan cities? They were in the interlocking pattern, and that which made the walls very strong. Why plow was used? Plow किसके लिए use होता था? They were used to dig the earth, for turning the soil and planting the seeds. What are the name the cities which had elaborate storehouses? They had Mohenjo-daro. The cities were Mohenjo-daro, Harappan, Lothal. And who is a specialist? It's a person who is trained to do only one kind of work. For example, cutting stone or polishing bead or carving seals. Seals, what were these used for? यानी कि मुहर किस लिए यूज किए जाते थे? Seals may have been used to stamp the bags or packets containing goods that were sent from one place to another. And what do you understand by raw material? Raw material का मतलब होता है कच्चा माल. Raw materials, they are substances that are either found naturally, जैसे कि wood, ores of metals, or they might be produced by farmers or herders. Discuss the term citadel. Just now I already told you citadels is other name for upper town, and many of these cities were divided into 2 or more parts. And usually the part to the west of the Harappan cities were smaller, but they were at a higher part. So archaeologists describe this as citadel. Explain the term sealing. After a bag was closed or tied, a layer of wet clay was applied on the knot and the seal was pressed on it. So the impression of the seal is known as a sealing. This method we use it today also in the post offices when we seal a bag, when you seal some packet of things which has to be sent far away. What types of houses was found in the earlier cities? किस टाइप के घर मिलते थे earlier cities में? Generally, houses were either 1 or 2 stories high, with rooms built around a courtyard, and or most of the houses had a separate building area, and some had wells also, and those wells were used to supply water. Write a short note on Dholavira. Just now we have discussed about the city of Dholavira, so you can just go back and go through it. Okay, and you can even write it in your own words. Then, what were the 3 major categories of people in Harappan cities? They were first the people who planned the construction of special buildings in the city, and they were probably the rulers. The second category of people, they were the scribes. The people who are scribes, the people who knew how to write, who helped the other part, who helped to prepare the seals, and they were the perhaps who wrote on other materials that have not yet survived. Then the third category people they were men and the women, or the craftsperson making all kinds of things, either in their own homes or they were used to work in some special workshops. Then, what were the reasons for the end of Harappan civilization? We have already discussed this in my last video. Some scholars suggest that the rivers might have dried up, or others suggest that there was some deforestation, and this could have happened because fuel was required for baking the bricks and for smelting copper ores. And besides, grazing by large herds of cattle, sheep and goat might have destroyed the green cover. In some areas there were floods, and the last point you can mention is might be the rulers have lost the control on the cities. So these were some reasons for the end of the Harappan civilization. So this was the end of this chapter. Take care. Click on the link in the description box.